If your Poshmark or eBay feels dead right now, like completely dead, don't worry. There's a lot going on and eternally with them, but don't panic. I'm going to tell you exactly what I do every time my shop slows down and doesn't sell items. Don't forget to subscribe. Step number one, fix your titles. Maybe your titles just aren't that great. Maybe they need certain keywords that people are searching. Use the brand, the item, the size, and any other details like keywords like Barbie core, granny core, all of those things. Step number two, maybe your photos kind of suck, you guys. Maybe you need to upgrade them. Maybe you need to show a different angle. Maybe they need to be brighter. So update your photos. And I like doing that with the Flip website. I have it linked down in the description. I just take the photos once, upload them into Flip and then the universal section, and then click Poshmark update, Mercari update, eBay update. So much faster. It's a breeze. If you don't have it yet, you can get a 100-day free trial. Click the link below. It's only like $9 a month, which is the cheapest one out there for like a cross listing and, assistant basically. Number three, maybe you just need to reprice your item a different price. Sometimes items are just too low and people think that they are like damaged or something, so they won't buy them. So maybe you need to price them higher. Maybe you have them priced too high and you just need to lower the price a little bit. That normally works for me. Always price it 10 to 20% higher so that you can send out offers that are lower, because then when you're sending out offers, people are like, oh, I'm getting a great deal, and then they might purchase it. Use the closet clear out on Poshmark. It is very helpful. And then if your item's been sitting for at least for 30 days or more, then you can do like the price drop thing. That's the way I always look at it. Step number four, relist. Don't just share. Old listings go stale. There's a lot of people on eBay and Poshmark, you guys. I always say to relist your items after 60 days, 60 to 90 days. So it becomes a new listing and gets new eyes. On eBay, you can do the sell similar, or you can use the Flip website to delist and relist. On Poshmark, you can do the copy, delete, and relist, or you can use the Flip website, which is very helpful, to delete and relist. And it tells you what's been on your Poshmark for over 60 to 90 days. So number five, check demand. Maybe it's just not in style right now. Like for me right now, I have a bunch of skinny jeans just sitting there because right now they're not in style. So I've dropped the prices to see if they'll sell. Maybe your item is seasonal. Maybe it's the size. You never really know what people are searching for. Step number six, list more. More listings equals more chances to sell. The algorithm loves activity. So I started doing 5 to 10 a day and I am seeing sales daily. Sometimes maybe you just need a mindset reset. Maybe you just need to step away from the phone, step away from the website, let it do its thing. Just realize that slow sales happen to everyone. Do not quit. Don't give up. Keep pushing, keep posting. And one sale can break a dry spell. Okay. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know anything that you guys do whenever your store gets stale and you need to give a little spritz to get the sales coming in. Also, if you want to watch other thrifting or reselling videos, click that right up there. Bye.